My name is Kathleen Nolan. I'm the Senior Research Director for Catskill Mountain Keeper and also an elected representative. I'm a legislator for District 22 in Ulster County. My work at Catskill Mountain Keeper is primarily as a researcher to understand what is happening in the world and various developments, various approaches that we can take to engineering and building our environment. I then use that basis in the science of a situation to help inform policy. So then the policies that we would seek to put in place would be informed by the reality of the hazards or benefits of the systems we're working with. That can be both environmental advocacy to protect the environment and public health advocacy to protect human beings as a very important part of that environment. I trained as a pediatrician. I was interested in medicine and law and public policy. I wanted to be of service. So for me, a life in medicine was going to be very dynamic and allow me to be a little more engaged with the public than if I were a pure philosopher, which I was also drawn to at the time. When I came to this area in the Catskills, I came to study Zen at a Zen monastery. And when I left the monastery, I wanted to live nearby. And so I started working on issues related to the environment and public health. So my medical background has been the foundation for my environmental work. I've looked mainly at the toxins that we release into the environment. And we can do that by bringing up oil and gas from under the ground through toxic means like fracking. We can do it when we put chemicals on fields to try to help farmers deal with pests, but we're using chemicals that are sometimes harmful. At least a majority of what we come to experience in our health is due to what we experience in our environment. That's both our relational environment, our family and friends, but it's also our physical environment. The quality of the water that we drink, the food that we eat, and the air that we breathe. Living in the Catskills, it's very easy to be passionate about taking care of the environment around us. The beauty of the mountains, the fresh streams, waterfalls, the diversity of the people. It's an environment in which I can be nourished and therefore want to nourish others.